Ayan po. So kung meron man tayong nakaligtaang i-acknowledge, mismo ang ating bago mag-asawa na
I can hear her heartbeat for 1,000 miles, and the heavens open up every time she smiles. And when I come to her, that's just where I belong. Yet I'm running to her like a river song. She give me love, 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 crazy love. She gives me love, 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 crazy love. She's got a fine sense of humor when I'm feeling low down, and when I come to her when the sun goes down. She takes away my trouble, takes away my grief, takes away all of my heartache in the night like a thief. She give me love, 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 crazy love. She give me love, 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 crazy love.
Sa kasal ni Irene, Bianchi, sa tanan, bisan sa akong mga bayaw, mga salinasan pamili, sa mga size ako. Salamat kaayo na si Ay, inyo yung tambungan si Ay. Ay, niabot na dyan ang imong ipangandoy kay sige dyan ka papray, mag-garbage prayer, magpapray ka na umiyon ko nga magpiling na lang kagpuan kay namay gihatag sa'yo amiga kanang gusto kayo niya pero di yung siya kay ang iya yung gihulat, ang God's will yun daw. Wala ka kung ay, yabot na yun ay. Ikaw mo. Andre. Ay, pag pinutan dyan dito sa line, nasod kong dala na dyan ka ni Andre ay maura na nga akong ikasulti nila.
Ay, are you still there? Mura kasi gibilat na si mami mo diri ba? I believe and I'm seeing in her yung tears of joy. No? I know, of course, some of the deeper stories, and we are really very thankful kauban sa church na to na finally, yun nga ni mami, you found the right guy. Yehey! Dili pa local, imported pa. Sige, palakpakan nato ang pinili ng Ginoo kang ay. But as a pastor, if I may convey to you a short message at that, I was told earlier by Cherry, so it's supposed to be an extemporaneous surprise. Dili extemporaneous speaks. Extemporaneous surprise. But I recall right now yung message ba sa murag na daw letter ang Ginoo sa babae. Okay, so this is God's letter to a woman. Ingon pa daw ng God, ng atong Ginoo, nung gi-fashion niya ang usa ka lalaki, when I fashion man, para at least masabtan ni Andre, when I fashioned man, God said, I was intending to look for a partner to that man, so he won't be lonesome in the beautiful garden of paradise. Now, what God thought was to let the man fall into a deep sleep, then he can fashion, or God can fashion, that perfect is precisely because God did not want man to interfere with the process of creating that partner. No, para wala na isulti kung unsa ang dapat sa magiging partner niya. Now, also, God did not take that woman dito sa iyahang tiil. Oh yes, dagang pumpansi din. Yes, because if God would have done that, basin himuon ba nakatabang ang babae dahil ikuha man sa tiil ng lalaki. And then, God likewise did not fashion woman from the head kasi basin mo ingon ang babae na mas labaw siya sa lalaki. And God did not also fashion the woman from the shoulders basin mo ingon ang babae equal sa lalaki. And so, God took the woman from the rib cage. And as we all know, yung rib cage is there to protect the vital organs of the man. Meaning, you are there to protect the heart, which is the center of emotions, of everything that the man feels. And you are there extra close to the heart because you are that perfect partner. So with those wisdom, you are now fully in union with your husband, and we wish you, or rather, we pray to God to give you that added strength, more so when you fly out to Finland. Wow! May your drives increase.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Palakpakan po natin again the mother of the bride, Mrs. Tita Salinasal, and one of our ninos, Pastor Edwin Santos. Thank you very much for your messages. space could hold. A triumph of enduring trials and hardships. A joy from deep within which flows unceasingly. A love story which blossomed from two hearts of different worlds. And now is the moment for two hearts to become one. A moment we've always wanted to treasure, to cherish, and to remember. A moment we've all been waiting for. The ceremonial cutting of the cake as a symbol of a chaste love that serves willingly and unselfishly. The love of Andre and Irene.
You're a falling star, you're the getaway car, you're the line in the sand when I go too far. You're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it coy, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you. You make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything. You're a carousel, you're always well, and you light me up when you ring my bell. You're a mystery, you're from outer space, you're every minute of my everyday. And I can't believe that I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way, I will see it through, and you know that's what our love can do. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you. You make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing.
I am very happy to wedding.
Hey, Kaka! Yung papa na!
My son also
Tuwalaw! Yay!
Good evening to everyone. At last, I am married now. My longing is over. I'm so thankful to God that He has given me a good husband.
Thank you for the visitors, my relatives who come here. Thank you so much. And then so little time preparing this marriage. 1 week only that we did it. I'm so thankful to Andre for loving me, and thank you so much.
Alright, thank you very much. May we now ask everyone to please stand. Tayo po tayo lahat. May konti na lang tayo. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give our wildest and loudest round of applause for giving it up for Andre and Irene. Yes. Sakasan natin. Ito ba yan? Uy.
Okay, ako lalakas yan ngayong partner. Dahil it's time to congratulate the Dulagan Mall para bago yan. Shower of balloons para sa lahat.
Imagine how the world could be so very fine, so happy together. I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the skies will be blue for all my life. You and me, no matter how they toss the dice, it had to be. The only one for me is you, and you for me, so happy together. I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the skies will be blue for all my life. Me and you and me, no matter how they toss the dice, it had to be. The only one for me is you, and you for me, so happy together.